Now we will learn about bulk assign images. One of the coolest features we have is bulk assigning images. It allows us to assign images in bulk within a menu. This feature has made the image assignment process so much easier that we can assign images to any item or modifier at the same time, without going into each one individually. First, we will go to the menu, where we need to assign images. Here, you can see the Bulk Assign Images option. Click on it. Now, search the collection folder that you created for this restaurant. You can see some images here, and right in front of each image, there is a search bar option. With this search bar option, we will write the name of the image, and the image will be assigned to that item or modifier. Now, if you look at the top, there are some options. If I click here, you can see that we have 3 options in the dropdown. The first is Assign to Items and Ingredients. Here, ingredients refers to modifiers. By selecting this option, you'll be able to assign the same images for both items and modifiers. Next is Assign to Items. By selecting this, you can assign images only to items. The last option is Assign to Ingredients. With this option, you can assign images only to modifiers. Now, let's try to assign images by using the Items and Ingredients option. Here, we have an image for Coke. Let's say we have Coke as an item and also as a modifier. I'm writing Coke in the search bar. Here, you can see 2 options for Coke. The first is with a diamond-shaped icon, which signifies an item. The next option is with a radio icon, which signifies modifiers. We can identify them with these symbols. Now, I want this image for the item and modifier, so I will select both options one by one. Firstly, let's assign it to the item. So I will select the option with a diamond shape. Now I will do the same for the modifier. Here, you can see the diamond-shaped Coke option is showing with an image icon. This means the image is already assigned for Coke as an item. Therefore, an image icon signifies an already assigned image. This icon will only appear if the Allow Image Override option is checked. This option helps identify items that already have images. If you want to replace an image for any item or modifier, keep this option checked. Items that already have images will appear in the dropdown, allowing you to easily replace the image from here instead of navigating to that specific item. However, if you uncheck this option, items with existing images will not appear in the dropdown. Here, we have the Hide Tips option. If you select this option, all these tips will be hidden. If you need them back, just click here and they will be back. Now that we have selected both options, the image will be assigned to the item and the modifier. If you wish to unassign the image, simply click on the cross button, but ensure you identify the symbols to determine where you want to delete it. Alternatively, you can remove it from being assigned to the item or modifier. Using the same process, we will utilize the option of Assign to Items. Here, we will write the name of this item image. Next, we will proceed with the Assign to Ingredients option, and here, we will write the name of this image as well. Now let's check the images that we have assigned on the branding page. Here, you can see the image that we have assigned for Coke as an item, and here, Coke as a modifier. Next, we have assigned an image only for the item, so here we have the image of the chicken nuggets item. Lastly, we have assigned the Sprite image as a modifier. This is how the bulk assign images feature works.